All right, this next game, I think this is the first time we've ever played this at Legends. No, second time. Well, I was wrong. But this game is called Sound Effects, and I need two brave audience volunteers. I saw one right here and one right there. Yeah, come on up. What are your names? Tim and... Vanessa. Tim and Vanessa. Big hand for Tim and Vanessa. Now, the way this game works, and I'll give you guys the mics in just a sec, but Paco and Connor are going to be doing a scene, and you guys are going to be providing the sound effects. So Tim, you'll provide the sound effects for Paco, and Vanessa, you'll provide the sound effects for Connor. Remember, there doesn't have to be sound happening at all times. You can let them react a little bit of give and take. So I'll go ahead and give you guys the mics. I need a non-geographic location. Mordor and Narnia, like every show you get. The laundry room. The laundry room.
Snickers, I'm so sorry.
What are you doing with that cat, Jim?
He likes to go through the track cycle.
That sounds like animal abuse, Jim.
It's not. Look it up in the animal abuse handbook.
I will. I have it right here. It's
I don't
really
hear the
quiet
pages
book.
turning.
I swear I'm reading it though. There we go.
It's the sound of reading.
I'm ripping the pages out as I go. I don't like this book very much. Anyway, I found it right here. The thing I was looking for about animal abuse.
Read it out loud, Snickers.
We were that day, Jim. We were that day.
I'm so sorry, honey. I hope the animal police isn't nearby, or they'll take you away from me.
They are going away for a long
No,
time.
that's the sound of the real police.
I get them confused.
We're safe. I've had so many animals taken away from me, you wouldn't believe. That's right.
No, just as long as you stay away from my dog. He's a big one.
I just noticed it now.
Yeah, he's a well-behaved dog, but if he sees that you're abusing that cat, he might go crazy on you.
I thought dogs usually hated cats. He sticks up for cats.
He sticks up for cats. He's a very noble dog. Sticks up for all sorts of injustice. No, doesn't stick up for injustice. The opposite of that. The opposite of that is what he does.
It looks like he's got some sort of something in his mouth. It's coughing something up. No, never mind. I'm kidding. He's healthy. He looks healthy.
Yeah, it's very. I took him to the vet just earlier today because I care about my animals' well-being. Here, Jimbo, have a biscuit. Or don't. That's okay. I'll eat it later, Jimbo.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We let them duel.